Hey guys, Callie Fab here, and today I'm going to do my update for the A to Z Project Pan. I don't know when I did my last update. I know it's been a hot minute, but I am ready to update you guys on some of the items. I haven't finished anything yet, but I'm getting close on quite a few of them. So I'm just going to go through a few of them, not all 25. I have lost one, so that because it was 26 originally. I have lost one, which was the Marc Jacobs Cha-Cha Changes lip gloss, which I'm kind of sad about actually. And then I finished the White Pine candle, the last update. So therefore we are down to 24 items. I have yet to find that lip gloss, so I'm kind of over it. I'm kind of sad I lost it, but hopefully if I can find it, I will bring it back in. But let's get you guys updated on all the things that I have here. I'm just going to run through them super quick to keep this update as short as possible and kind of go from there. So I have the Pharmacy Green Screen Daily Environmental Protector. I have used this about 3 times. It is a sample size, and I've just been using this when I go out with my son outside, just a quick slather on the face, or when we're going for a bike ride or for a walk. That way I can have a little sun protection on my skin. Really enjoying this. It is an SPF of 30 and it doesn't break me out. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep using it. Then I finally marked some of my products. I have the Formula 10.0.6 Deep Down Detox Ultra Cleansing Mud Mask with orange and bergamot, and that is where I am. My last update, I kind of had to look at my update video, so I was there and now I am there. I really love I really love this product, and yeah, I did buy a backup of it at the spring sale from Ulta. I love this. Really cleanses my skin, especially when I have a little breakouts going on. It really gets in there and clears out my pores. I especially like doing this right before the shower. Starting the shower, have the room steamy while this mask is on my face, and then washing it off in the shower is my favorite way to use it. So I'm just gonna keep using it and keep enjoying it. Then I have the lip gloss and lipstick duo from Lorac. This was the Pirates of the Caribbean Dead Man Tell No Tales collab, and the lipstick, I'm not gonna really show you any progress because there isn't any. I have been going through a ton of different lipsticks this year, but the lip gloss is what I am wearing on my lips today, and I am at the point where I need to take the stopper out of this gloss. It is very pretty, very sparkly. I don't typically like to wear this gloss to work. I will wear the lipstick to work, but the gloss is a little too sparkly for my liking to wear at the hospital, so I've been kind of just wearing that when I go out to pick up my son or go on errands or just around the house, just to have something on my lips. But I'm ready to take the stopper out of that, so that will be out for the next update, and hopefully I can finish that completely. Then the next thing I have is the Essence Micellar Water. This was completely full when I started. This was just today's little marking here for you, just to show you where I am. I just use this when I have a little bit too much eye makeup on or whatever, and I want a little like first step. So I kind of rub it on my hands, rub it on my eyes, and then I go in with my makeup remover, and I really like using it like that. So yeah, I mean, I'm using it, it's getting out. Okay, it's a micellar water. It does take me a long time to use micellar water just because I don't typically use it and it's not a constant in my routine, so there's that. Then I have the Platinum Skincare Anti-Aging Toner with lactic acid for normal to dry skin. When I started this at the very beginning of the year, we were up here at the blue, well they're all blue, but up here above the purple line here, and then the last update here, and then this update here. So I have been using it, just not enough to make really good progress on it. My goal for the next update is to get halfway down here. I don't know if I can do it just because I like to mask after I shower and after I wash my face. So toning is not really something that is constant in my makeup routine as well, or my skincare routine. I'm not sure if it's something that I need in my life, but I do want to use this up. I did pay full price for it, so I do want to get it used up. Then I have a foundation I've been working on all year. It is the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Plus Cream. You guys probably saw this in my Project 10 uses, project, and I did use this 10 times. It is marked to finish by the end of the year, so I do want to get this done. Yeah, I really love it. I will repurchase this when it's finished. Then I have my Laura Geller Baked Blush and Brighten in Tropic Hues, and that's where we are now. I am trying to get the dome gone. I have been working on it quite a bit. I don't know if you guys can really see. Trying to get like a really good background. My forehead seems to be the best. But I am trying to work that dome down. I was trying to finish this. There's no way I'm ever going to be able to finish this, especially because I am using a ton of other blushes right now. So I do want to get this dome cleared down, like kind of flattened. We'll see if I can do that. Something else I'm making very good visible progress on is a candle from Carrie's Creations. It is in Pearberry. I love this candle. It smells exactly like the Bath & Body Works Pearberry, and I know Ashley Elizabeth here on YouTube, she's a way bigger YouTuber than me. She loves Pearberry, and I have thought many times about sending her a candle. Nonetheless, it is amazing. So that is where we are. We are about 2/3 the way full on that, and I love burning this. It gives such a good scent throw. I really enjoy it, and I'm so happy I have it. Then I have a palette that I've kind of been working on, like, not really, but trying to a little bit. So I have the Too Faced Country palette, and this is for the letter N. I know that because it is the Nashville Nudes eyeshadow palette, and there are the colors there. I don't have any really significant dips. I haven't been using this consistently enough to actually see anything. And my starting weight was 116 grams, and I was trying to use up, what, 3 to 4 grams? And I have since used up any grams of product because I'm just not using this consistently enough to actually get the weight to go down on it. I hope to, at the end of the year, have maybe at least 1 gram of product gone. I don't know. This was going to be a possible for my Baby Pan That palette for next year. I don't know if that's going to happen now. This is a big palette. And it just seems to be harder and harder to use because the Too Faced formula is a very densely packed formula, so you get a lot of color payoff with very little product. So I don't know. Then I have some exciting progress on the Wet n Wild Color Icon Bronzer in Ticket to Brazil. Okay, so you guys, you can see the rings like so well. Can you guys see those rings? Oh my gosh, they are like poking out. Like they want to be hit, like the pan wants to be hit so badly, but I just cannot hit that freaking pan. We are getting so close. So my goal for next update is to find the pan, hit the pan on this product. I don't know how deep it is. It doesn't look like it's a very deep pan, but I have been wearing it away very evenly in this area here. Not so much up in this corner, but in this area up here. I've really been wearing it away, and I'm hoping to see pan by the next update. I definitely think I can, considering that a lot of times I'll just do a little bit of bronzer on my face and kind of call that my foundation, and it seems to work out really nicely for me, so hopefully that will happen. Then I have my Almay Makeup Free Zone eye makeup remover pads, and you guys know I store this upside down. I have been using these not frequently enough to actually see any progress. I kind of wish I would have been marking how many I've been using, but I haven't, and I'm kind of over it at that point, so I am going to just keep using these. Hopefully I can get them used up by the end of the year. They are starting to dry out just the tiniest bit. I do have liquid makeup remover I can squirt in here and use on the pads, but I don't like doing that for some reason. I don't know why. I just don't. So that is something that I want to use up by the end of the year for sure. Oh, this one's kind of dirty. So I have my Rosehip oil, and this one has been used less frequently since I'm trying to use up an oil in my drop 10 before summer. So I have not been using this at all since that project has been going on, but once that oil is completely gone, I will be using this one, and we are less than halfway on this now, so we are right here. And I definitely think I can get this used up by the end of the year. I really like using this on my dry skin, and it doesn't break me out. It feels very nice on my skin, not oily, but like a nice sunken in hydration. So that's what I really like about the Rosehip oil, and yeah, I will continue to use this until it is gone. And the final product that I have for you guys to update on is the Stila Glitter and Glow in the shade Kitten Karma. It is a full size. I did pay full size price for it. I think I got it at a VIB sale though, or like a 20% off sale. And you guys, you can see the window. See the window right there behind the S? It is going, you guys. I am really using this. I'm really enjoying it. I do know that these do dry out very, very quickly, so I do want to get this used up before it dries out. And I've heard that after you take the stopper out, it dries up even more quickly. So basically, when I am ready to take the stopper out of this, I want to try to use it every single day so that I don't waste the product in here. I do have oils and stuff I guess I can rejuvenate it with, but I don't feel like that's going to work as well as the original product in here. So that is my plan. I'm going to use it and I'm going to try to revive it if I can, if I need to, but I want to get this completely used up. It is a beautiful product. I always get compliments whenever I wear it, and I'm excited to use it when I do wear it. So yeah, I'm happy about that one. So those were just a few products from my A to Z project pan. I know I have not updated you guys on everything. There are a lot of things in here, you guys, that I'm like, why did I even put it in there? So I put a ColourPop eyeliner in DTLA, which was like a dark blue color. I really don't wear eyeliner enough to warrant trying to pan one. I have so many eyeliners that I just don't use, you guys. It's very irritating on my eyes, especially now that I wear contacts. I don't have them in today, but you know, when I wear contacts, I tend to rub my eyes when I have eyeliner in just because they get dry and it just makes it worse. So yeah, those are the products I'm really going to be working on. I wanted to show you updates on the ones that I know I can actually get some really good progress on, and other items, if I use them along the way, I will tell you what they are, but this is kind of what I'm sticking with for now. So anyways, I hope you all have a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and I will see you in the next one.